best professional video editor for YouTube and TikTok videos. Hey creators, want to take your YouTube and TikTok videos to the next level? Stick around because I'm about to reveal the best professional video editors who can transform your content into something truly amazing. And guess what? There's a link in the description to connect with them and start boosting your views today. Editor number 1, Saqib Hussain. First up, we have an editor who specializes in eye-catching YouTube intros, snappy cuts, and dynamic effects to keep your audience hooked till the end. Key features: high-quality intros and transitions, expertise in YouTube content editing. Need a YouTube makeover? Click the link in the description to get started. Editor number 2, Farhan Iqbal. Next, we have a TikTok editing pro. From viral trends to engaging sound syncs, this expert knows how to make your videos pop on TikTok. Key features: mastery in TikTok editing trends, fast turnarounds and creative effects. Editor number 3, Shiva Shankaran. Editor number 3 excels at multi-platform content. If you need videos that shine on both YouTube and TikTok, key features: the versatility for YouTube and TikTok. Focus on consistent branding and style. Editor number 4, Junie. Our fourth expert is all about storytelling, with creative cuts and strategic overlays. They'll make sure your videos don't just get views, but also build a loyal audience. Key features: story-driven editing style, engages viewers and drives channel growth. Editor number 5, Sia. Last but not least, we have an editor who's all about speed and quality. Perfect for creators who need quick edits without compromising on the look and feel. High-quality edits tailored to your style. Those were the top 5 professional video editors who can help elevate your YouTube and TikTok game. I don't miss out, click the link in the description to start creating amazing content today. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to grow your channel.